Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to block pop-ups and redirects in the Vivaldi browser on your phone if you often get annoyed by unwanted pop-ups or pages redirecting automatically. First, open the Vivaldi browser on your phone. Next, tap on the Vivaldi icon at the top right. From this menu, scroll down and select the Settings option to access browser preferences. After that, scroll down and tap on Content Settings. Next, click on Site Settings to manage permissions for websites. Then, scroll down until you find pop-ups and redirects. Finally, tap on pop-ups and redirects and turn the setting on to block unwanted pop-ups and automatic redirects. By following these steps, you can stop annoying pop-ups and redirects, making your browsing experience much safer and smoother. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and share it with friends.